Welcome, food lovers, to our channel. Today, we embark on a culinary adventure to explore the wonders of Italian zucchini parmesan, while uncovering some lesser-known facts about this delightful dish. Get ready for a mouth-watering journey. Buongiorno, my friends. Zucchini parmesan, or zucchine alla parmigiana, in Italian, is a beloved vegetarian dish that showcases the incredible versatility of zucchini. But did you know that this delectable recipe originated in southern Italy, particularly in the regions of Campania and Sicily? It's a testament to the rich culinary heritage of the country. One fascinating fact about zucchini parmesan is its preparation. The zucchini slices are traditionally coated in a mixture of eggs, breadcrumbs, and Parmesan cheese before being baked to perfection. This creates a crispy outer layer while retaining the zucchini's tender texture, a delightful combination that will leave you craving for more. Now, let's delve into the unique flavors of this dish. Zucchini parmesan is all about the harmonious blend of flavors. The zucchini, when cooked, offers a mild sweetness, while the tomato sauce provides a tangy and savory note. The layer of melted mozzarella cheese adds a creamy richness, making every bite truly irresistible. Here's an intriguing twist. While eggplant is typically used in classic eggplant parmesan, zucchini makes for a delicious and lighter alternative. It's a perfect way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet without compromising on flavor. Plus, zucchini's delicate taste allows the other ingredients to shine through beautifully. Pairing zucchini parmesan with a glass of Italian wine is a match made in culinary heaven. The dish's savory and tangy elements complement the fruity and acidic notes found in many Italian wines. It's a wonderful opportunity to indulge in the harmony of flavors and elevate your dining experience. So, my friends, there you have it, the wonders of Italian zucchini parmesan. A dish rooted in tradition, bursting with flavors, and perfect for vegetarian food lovers. Thank you for joining us on this mouth-watering journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experiences with zucchini parmesan in the comments below. Until next time, buon appetito!